Hello students, a very good morning to you. Once again, we will continue our chapter 8 of class 12, that is human health and disease. In our last class, we have studied about cancer, and in this class, we will study about drugs and alcohol abuse. What is drugs? Drugs means simply we can say as medicines. And abuse means when anything that is used beyond its limit or beyond its usefulness, means misuse. We can say it as misuse. Abuse, or we can say it as misuse. So, what is the effect of drugs and alcohol abuse, and how many type of drugs taken by human beings? How many type of drugs are considered as medicines, for life-saving medicines? So, let's take a brief on this topic. So, let's start about your drugs. The drugs is divided into three major categories. The drugs is divided into three major categories, that are opioids, then your cannabinoids, and coca alkaloids. Coca alkaloids. Clear, students? The drugs are divided into three major types, means which are commonly abused. Not all the drugs, abusing drugs, means which are used as you can say for nasha. Clear? So they are as opioids, cannabinoids, and coca alkaloids. So before we study, we have to remember, or we have to focus on some points that it will help you to remember in a easy way. So when we are going to study about opioids, then we should know what is it is commonly called, from where does it is extracted, what is its chemical name, which drugs are prepared from this, which is its binding receptor, and which organs get affected from this. We are studying about drugs and alcohol abuse. So here the drugs I have written shows that they are abused by many people. So first we will study about opioids. Clear? Opioids are such a group of drugs whose binding receptor is present in our central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Means when we take any drugs, it has in our body, our organ system is so much developed and different organs are present. And when we take any drugs, then it has a specific receptor which it binds with. Then after it is effective. Suppose when we are taking general medicines, liver has the metabolic activities for that medicine. Here exactly when we are taking drugs, means abusing like heroin, ganja, charas, etc., etc., they have some special binding receptors in our body. So for opioids, the binding receptor is CNS, means central nervous system, and gastrointestinal tract. Clear? Next is, this is commonly called as SMARC. Its common name is SMARC, which is chemically called diacetylmorphine. Common name is SMARC and chemically called diacetylmorphine, and it is obtained from the acetylation of morphine. It is obtained from acetylation of morphine. How does it looks? It is crystalline, colorless, we can say white, colorless, odorless, and it is taken by snorting. Snorting means when we take something like this. This is called snorting. So this is taken by snorting, and this is a very depressant to taste, means it has no taste, no smell, it is colorless and taken by snorting. Clear? And it is obtained from the poppy plant, which is biologically called the poppy plant, and its biological name is Papaver somniferum. Clear, students? We are studying about opioids. Its binding receptor is CNS and gastrointestinal tract. It is commonly called SMARC, chemically called diacetylmorphine. It is obtained from acetylation of morphine, and it is taken by snorting. And the plant from which this drug is obtained is called poppy plant or Papaver somniferum, and it is Simply in common language we can call as heroin. Called as heroin. Clear students? It is a depressant and slows down the body function. Means when any person takes this type of drugs, means heroin is under opioid group of drugs. When a person takes heroin, then it slows its body functioning. Means it has something sense different. Means it has the thinking ability get decreased. He is unable to decide or take decision about anything. He's just in another world. He feels like he's just in another world. You have must seen some persons who are addicted when they drunk, means when they drink wine, they have some different reactions. Exactly, this is the drugs when taken by any person, its body functioning or his body functioning gets slows down. Clear? So next move to and next drug is cannabinoid. Next is your cannabinoid. Let's see. Cannabinoids, what type of drugs? Their main receptor is brain. Clear? In case of opioids, binding receptor is CNS and gastrointestinal tract. But here in case of cannabinoids, the receptor is brain, and it is found from the plant, or it is obtained from the plant that is called cannabis sativa. That is called cannabis sativa. Clear? The drugs is obtained, the group of drug means cannabinoids are obtained from cannabis sativa, means from the inflorescence of this plant. Inflorescence, you know about inflorescence, means arrangement of flowers, arrangement of leaves, we can say as here. So cannabis sativa is the plant from which cannabinoids are obtained. Their binding receptor is, principally the binding receptor is brain, and it can be taken by inhalation or oral ingestion. Inhalation means सूंघ के, or oral ingestion means through mouth. The drugs commonly obtained from cannabinoids are ganja, charas. Clear? Then your another drug, ganja, charas, and we can say marijuana and hashish. Marijuana and hashish. These are the drugs which obtained from this cannabis sativa plant, or from the inflorescence of cannabis sativa, the plant, and its effect is on cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system means if one person takes excess amount of these drugs, then its cardiovascular system may affect, means its blood pressure may increase, or heart stroke may be occur if it is taken in for a long time period and in large amounts. So we can say that the affected organ is cardiovascular system. Clear students? Next is your coca alkaloid. Coca alkaloid. This is obtained from the plant Erythroxylum coca. Erythroxylum coca, or which we can say as coca plant. From coca plant. Clear? Erythroxylum coca, or from coca plant. Clear students? It is commonly called coke or crack. Its common name is like here. Its common name is crack or coke. Crack or coke, we can say it. Crack or coke. So which organs are affected due to this drugs, and what is its binding receptor? What does it cause? Clear? Its binding receptor is again central nervous system, CNS. Means when one person takes this group of drugs, then it binds with the central nervous system. If it binds with the central nervous system, it also creates some sense of euphoria, or feeling sensation of living in another world. Clear? Euphoria means madhosi. We can say it as madhosi. This is called euphoria, or feels like increased energy, or energy get increased when taken this group of drugs. So another similar drugs are obtained from the plant, like your that is called coca, then your Atropa belladonna. Atropa belladonna is the biological name, and Datura. The similar type of drugs can be obtained from the inflorescence of Atropa belladonna and Datura. These have also some property of hallucination. Hallucination means in Hindi we can say it as Brahmit. Means when one person takes this group of drugs, then he thinks like the sky is below and the earth is above our head, and we are inside an ocean, we are walking on water, we are not burning on fire. This type of sense is felt by the person who takes this type of drugs. And sometimes this drug is also abused by the sports persons. Abused by the sports persons. You have heard about that Olympic medals are taken from the player found to be dope test. Dope test means sometimes what happen, the sports person takes some medicines to increase their energy while racing or in athletes. So that drugs is present in our blood. If we are taking, then that drugs must be present in our blood. That's why when their blood test occurs and the dope test found to be positive, then the medal should be taken from that person who is given during the race or during the event. So this is abused by some sports persons. Some other drugs like your barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines. Clear? Some other similar drugs are which have hallucinogenic property. They are some drugs are like your barbiturates, barbiturates, then your amphetamine and benzodiazepines. These are also abused, and some of these drugs are used for treatment of the patients who undergoes insomnia and depression. Insomnia means lack of sleep, who are unable to sleep. This is called insomnia, can't sleep. And depression means overthinking about anything, that is called depression. This is very effective and painkiller. Also morphine is used as painkiller. You know about painkiller. When we feel any pain, then the doctors gives us painkiller, or either we ourselves take painkiller from the medicine store. That's why we can say that these medicines are also useful for the patients who have undergone surgery. Surgery means from the ancient time where medical science is not so much developed, at that time also the saints and sages at that time uses these plants, the parts of these plants, to use in the patient for being surgery. Means during surgery they can inactivate, or they can completely senseless the person, and can use these drugs for surgery. Clear, students? Next is here, as we know about these drugs are used since a very ancient time in India. Clear? So different type of drugs like your tobacco is used till now 400 years ago. Means since 400 years tobacco is used by the Indian people. So these different type of drugs have some bad effects and some side effects. Like if one takes tobacco, then it may cause oral cancer. If one takes cigarette, BDs, clear, then it may cause lung cancer and block the respiratory bronchitis, causes many diseases like your emphysema, asthma. This type of disease can be caused due to smoking. Then if one person takes again cigarette, then what happen? It increases the carbon monoxide content in the body, due to which its oxygen taking capacity is decreased. Clear, students? Next, some drugs contain nicotine and similar type of chemicals which may cause high blood pressure and heart stroke, which leads to heart stroke. So if we are taking or if we are addicted from these drugs, or any person near our locality is addicted from these drugs, we should tell him about its bad effect, and we should try to how he could left that abusing of drugs, or we can put that person in a good way and save its life. As we know, the drugs means everything that is used in proper amount is beneficial, but when it is uses beyond its limit, then it may cause harm, means leads to deaths. That's why the drugs are important as well as helpful. So students, you never be addicted of such drugs and make yourself away from these drugs. Clear? But today this is all about your topic, drugs.